Hi viewers, welcome to Briksham channel. Learn mathematics easily.
Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Already I have uploaded the correlation coefficient scatter diagram method and the correlation coefficient by Colpearson's method. Okay, so now we are going to find the correlation coefficient by Spearman's method. Okay, so here first for the given data we have to find the rank, then by using these formulas we can find the correlation coefficient. So the first formula is rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1 when there is no tie between ranks. Okay, d ங்கிறது what is mean by d? It is difference between ranks of x and y. Okay, then if there is one tie between ranks, then we can go for this formula rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square plus m times m square minus 1 divided by 12 the whole divided by n times n square minus 1. And if there are more than one tie, then we can go with this formula. So here this term m times m square minus 1 divided by 2 can be repeated as many times the ranks are repeated. Okay. So now we will see the problems one by one. So the question given is the ranks of 10 trainees at the beginning and at the end of a certain course are given below. We have to calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Okay. So the trainees names we are taking it as A to J and the ranks for each and every one are given. Here the ranks are not repeated, therefore we can go with the first formula. So first we have to find the value of d. So d represents the difference between x and y. So 1 minus 6 gives minus 5, 6 minus 8 gives minus 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, then 9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 1, 7 minus 5 2, then 1, 4, minus 6. Okay, then we have to square this values. So we'll get 25, 4, 0, 4, 9, 1, 4, 1, 16 and 36 and the total is 100. Now we will substitute this in the formula. So the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient we are denoting by the letter rho. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square divided by n times n square minus 1. Here the ranks are not repeated, so we are going with this formula. Okay. So now we will write substitute the values one by one. So 1 minus times summation d square. So 6 multiplied by 100 divided by n is 10. Then 10 square minus 1. So upon simplification, we will get the value for this as 1 minus 6 into 100 divided by 10 square is 100. 100 minus 1 is 99 is equal to 0.3939. Okay, therefore the rank correlation coefficient is 0.3939. Here it is positive and lies between 0 and 0.5 and lies between 0 and 0.5. Therefore, we can conclude that there is a low degree of positive correlation between x and y. That is, there is low degree of there is less improvement at the beginning, at the end, and at the end of the course. Then we will move on to the next example. Find the rank correlation coefficient of the percentage of marks secured by a group of 8 students in economics and statistics. Okay, so here n is equal to 8 and x represents the marks in economics and y represents the marks in statistics, right? So these are all the details given. So now we have to find the rank correlation coefficient. So for that, for the given data, first we have to fix the rank. So how do you fix the rank? For the highest mark, we will fix it as 1. Then next highest. Next highest is 75, so 2. Next highest is 70, which is repeated 2 times. Okay, so 3 plus 4 by 2 is 3.5. Therefore, for 70, we will fix the rank as 3.5. And we are neglecting the 4 because 4 already we have used. Then after that 65, 5, 66, 57, 48. These are all the ranks. Then we'll come to the variable y. So 90, for 90 we will give it as rank 1, and for 82 we will give it as 2, and for 80 we will fix it as 3, and for 75 we will give the rank as 4, and 71, 5, 76, then 67, 58. Okay, so here the rank is repeated one time, therefore we can go with this formula. So for that, first we have to find D. 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 5, 1, then minus 0.5, so sorry, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 8 minus 2, 6, minus 2.5, then minus 7. Okay, by squaring this we may get it as 16, 1, 4, 0.25, 0, 36.25, 49, and the total of this is 113.5. Okay, now we will substitute all these values in the formula, which is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square is 113.5, plus here 70 is repeated 2 times. Therefore, we will fix it as 2. M is 2. So 2 times 2 square minus 1 divided by 12 divided by n is 8. That is the number of observations, and 8 square minus 1. Okay, so which is equal to 1 minus times 113.5 plus 0.5 divided by 8 times 63. Okay, so upon simplification, we will get the value for this as 1 minus 1.3571, which is equal to minus 0.3571. Therefore, we are getting the correlation as negative. Okay, so therefore, and it lies between 0 and minus 0 and 0.5, minus 0.5. Therefore, we can say that there exists low degree of negative correlation. That is the conclusion or interpretation for this term. Next one, here also the marks obtained by 8 students in accountancy and statistics are given below. We have to find the rank correlation, right? So first we will fix the ranks for x and y. So here 80 is the maximum. Next one is 62, 43, 28, 4, 20. So 20 is repeated 2 times. So we have to share the ranks 5 and 6. So we will get it as 5.5 here. So 5.5. Then next is smallest is 15. So we will fix the rank as 7. And for 12, we will give it as 8. Okay. Then come to the rank, the variable y. So in this, the maximum value is 60, which is 1. Then for 52, 43, and 30 is repeated 3 times. So we will take the average of 4, 5, and 6th rank. So we will get it as 5. So for 30, we will give the rank as 5. And for 20, we can fix it as 7. And for 10, we will fix it as 8. Okay. So these are all the ranks. Now we have to find the difference. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 5.5 minus 5 is 0.5. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 7 minus 4. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Then 0.5, 0. Okay, now we will have to square it. So first one 16, 0.25, 4, 9, 16, 36, 0.25, and 0. Now we have to find the total. The total is 81.5. Okay, so now we have to find the rank correlation coefficient. So here the ranks are repeated 2 times. Okay, so in this case we have to use this term 2 times. Okay, now we'll substitute all the values. So which is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation d square. So which is 81.5 plus m is 2. That is 20 is repeated 2 times. Therefore, we are substituting m as 2 in the variable x. And in the variable y, we can substitute m as 3. Okay, because what is the value? 30 is repeated 3 times. Divided by, what about n? Here we are considering about 8 students. So 8 times 8 square minus 1. So which is equal to 1 minus 6 times 81.5 plus 0.5 plus 2 divided by 8 into 63. So upon simplification, we will get the value as 1 minus 0, I'm sorry, 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. And therefore, the correlation coefficient is 0. Therefore, we can say that there exists no relationship between the marks in accountancy and statistics secured by the student. So, we can conclude like this. There is no relationship between the marks secured by students in the subject accountancy and statistics. Hope you can able to understand these problems in a rank correlation coefficient method.
If you are comfortable, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell button for further notifications. Thank you.